experiential education is just kind of what the name implies. It's ultimately providing an experience, oftentimes novel for the students, where they can kind of maximize their learning potential. The key here is that it's authentic. So we're not talking about a computer simulation. If we're going to teach a kid how to change a tire, we can't just show them how in front of the classroom or on a computer screen. They have to get hands-on. They have to be able to experience it directly instead of indirectly. This is really applicable when we're talking about independent living skills, problem solving, everything that's really important post-graduation. Teaching a kid how to measure with a worksheet, okay. Giving them a yardstick and telling them to measure various things around the room, right? That's experiential. They're actually doing the action. Every subject can do this. Instead of learning about poems, they write a poem and say it in front of the class. Right? In science, getting them outside, right? Getting their hands dirty. Experiential education is all about students learning the self-awareness, learning their abilities, their strengths, their weaknesses, learning their likes and dislikes, their passions. This is obviously very vocational heavy, but it doesn't have to be. It can really go in many different directions, help in many different avenues. But the big thing is that kids are given this authentic experience where maybe there's a spark that is ignited, something that comes up where if they didn't go hands-on and really get to directly experience this, they never would have known that they were interested or passionate about this certain area.